Can ChatGPT truly replace human interaction? Welcome to today's video where we'll explore whether ChatGPT, an AI language model, can replace human communication. We'll discuss its capabilities and limitations, potential benefits and drawbacks, and whether it can truly replace human interaction. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that generates human-like responses. However, it's limited by its training data and lacks creativity and intuition. It may also struggle with understanding nuances of language and cannot generate responses based on personal experiences. AI language models like ChatGPT can be useful for individuals with communication difficulties and businesses that need to respond to customer inquiries quickly. However, over-reliance on AI could lead to a loss of human connection and empathy, and a decrease in social skills. There's also a risk of ChatGPT being used to spread disinformation or propaganda. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it cannot replace human interaction. Nonverbal cues, emotional experiences, creativity, are involved in human communication. Relying solely on AI for communication could have negative impacts on our social skills and overall well-being. In conclusion, it's essential to strike a balance between using AI for communication and maintaining human connections and empathy. ChatGPT cannot replace the value of human interaction. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel Knowledge in Pieces, and follow us on Instagram at Knowledge in Pieces.